Hello, Pisces. Welcome to your weekly tarot forecast. This is for the week of February 19th through 25th. For Pisces, Sun, Moon, or Rising, you might watch all three of those to gain more insight into what's coming in for you this week. Please keep in mind, these are general readings. I am beginning with my Eternal Crystals Oracle deck to get a supportive crystal for the week. What chakra do you need to support this week, and what crystal does Spirit recommend for that? And do me a favor, guys, if you like this reading, hit that like button, share it with your friends, drop me a comment. You can hit that subscribe button or that notification bell. I do appreciate all of your support. And coming out, we have Bloodstone. Just jumped out of the deck. All right. Detoxifying. Supporting the root, the heart, and the sacral chakras. I just put this back in the deck. I just pulled this for Aquarius as well. That support the root chakra, the heart chakra, and the sacral chakra. It's about detoxifying this week. Interesting. All right. Now, I'm going to pull from my Essential Oils Oracle to get the underlying energy. Resolution. Resolution. Douglas Fir. In this moment, I am free. Let yourself be the one to heal the wounds passed down from your ancestors. The release and growth begins with you. Detoxify. Let go of those toxic habits, traditions, conditioning that's been handed down through the generations. All right, let's see what we have for Sunday, please, for Pisces. Pisces, oh, look at that, jumping out at us is the Chariot. I go forward with confidence, an opportunity to move forward in the desired direction, to take action. Carnelian is the supportive crystal on Sunday. It's to help support that creative energy. Okay. Let's keep going here. What do we have for Monday, please? Monday. The Two of Cups on Monday. I am worthy of the deepest kind of love, partnership, union, something blessed, something divinely appointed, whether it's a person, a career partnership, family. There's a deeper connection here. It's a blessed union, blessed partnership. All right, let's see what we have for Tuesday, please. The Three of Wands. I have the energy I need to realize my goals, an opportunity to move forward. So be open here on Monday and examine your relationships, your partnerships, the unions. Go deeper. Realize your worth. There's something here Tuesday where you have an opportunity to move forward in something that you desire. I don't know, maybe this union partnership is going to help support that. Look at this. Okay. Then jumping out, we have the Empress. I create what I choose naturally and with joy. That creative energy. That creative energy. Tapping into your creativity. That creative force within you. All right. There's an opportunity, perhaps, being extended for you to be a part of creating something. To birth something new. Thursday. All right, on Thursday, we have the Strength. And we have the Page of Wands. I am always open to good news. I can deal with whatever comes my way. You have the Strength. There's good news, positive messages coming in. That good news coming in. Be open to receiving that. Be aware of that. And you can deal with whatever comes your way. You have that inner strength to deal with anything that might get in your way. Whether it's a situation, a personal belief or feeling, whatever it is, you have the inner resiliency to overcome that. All right, and Friday. Justice. I speak my truth in fairness to myself. Being honest, keeping to your integrity, speaking with honesty, being fair in your judgments, honoring your truth, weighing things in the balance, honoring yourself, keeping things balanced, honest, keeping your integrity, keeping to your boundaries, and using fair judgment in all situations. Saturday, please. We have the Ten of Swords jumping out for Saturday, an ending of some sort here. Something coming to an end. I see the truth in this ending. All right, the positive impact that this ending will have. That it's creating new beginning. That it's a necessary ending. Whatever this is on Saturday. This is something that you need to deal with honestly. And with this fair judgment. Whatever this ending is, it doesn't have to be negative. Endings open us up for new beginnings. So this ending is making room for something new to come in. Perhaps something better, something unexpectedly better. So be open, deal with any woundings, any pain from it, but be willing to move through it, move forward, and welcome the new beginning. I'm going to pull from my Soul Helper Oracle in closing. Re-energize in the natural world. Let your inner hunter or huntress take rest. Take some time, connect with nature, perhaps go for a walk in solitude, in quiet, connect with nature. Re-energize yourself by connecting with the natural elements. This is what I have for you, Pisces. Thank you for joining me. Have a blessed week.